Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Thursday, September 18th. Well, final words in my video last night were the odds were pretty high for a kickback rally today. I didn't know exactly when it was going to happen, but I thought pretty high odds that we'd get a kickback rally today. It started out this morning, I thought we were going to get it right away, and then it made another lower low, but knocked the indicator back down to being oversold. And then in the final hour, you got a 400-point rally. Based on news, though, that's the problem with the rally. Anytime the market rallies on obvious news, I'm always suspect of it. And even though it looked like a pretty impressive rally, none of the pictures in the charts have changed. Yes, we had, it's a technical day because it's an outside reversal day, but you can't trade off of that one day. You need to have a few more days. You need the picture to change, and the picture's the same. All it did right now is rally back up into resistance, and I'll show you what I mean when we take a look at all the major indexes. But, you know, a 400-point rally, you just can't sneeze at it, so maybe there's some sort of message in there somewhere, but the charts don't say turn yet. Another point I want to talk about, because I've been asked by a couple of my readers, is about the new lows that were made the last couple of days. I think there were over 1,000 new lows made yesterday or the day before, and I know I used that indicator to help me spot the last low. It's the Joe Granville low list indicator, 500 new lows in any one day on the New York Stock Exchange. Well, here we had 1,000. And you know, the market does not have to respond immediately to that indicator, but the message that the indicator is sending is that the market is getting washed out, or it is washed out. So so there's a few things going around that makes me say it's probably too late to initiate any more new shorts. So we're not going to be looking for any more new shorts. Too many of these stocks are already down big. It's hard to find a setup that's just starting to roll over. But on the other hand, I cannot find any bullish setups that make sense to me yet. So maybe the low is near. You know, at the rate we're going, of 400 and 500 point moves a day, you know, in 3 days we could be down 1,500 points, and the low could be in. So maybe in the number of days we're not too far away, but in price, you know, I don't know. I just don't think we've gone down far enough underneath this pattern to justify a rally. That pattern that we're looking at in the Dow would suggest that the Dow should drop about 1,000 points. But, you know, I'm not going to tell the market what to do. We're just going to read what the market is telling us. All right? It's probably too late to initiate any more shorts. It's probably way too early to do any buying yet. So we're going to watch for a while. Okay? Like I said, the rally does not change any of the looks of any of the charts. We will look at all the charts in the final segment. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. You know, I would love it to be the bottom, but there's just not enough evidence to go out and say the low is in. I just don't see it yet. Okay, so before we take a look at the major indexes, we'll take a look at the stock I sold short today, ALGN. Still has a good look. And once again, that picture hasn't been changed either with the rally. So in just a moment, we'll take a look at ALGN, and then we'll take a look at the major indexes, and we'll chat a little bit about them. So don't go away. I will be right back. Okay, this is ALGN. Sold the stock short today. I think it was 1238. I don't have the exact number in front of me, but somewhere around there. Maybe it was a little bit lower. I forget the exact number. Anyway, closed a little bit higher than my cost, but you know, the look is still there. We still got these declining tops. Could this rally all the way up into here and not change the picture? Yes, it could. But the look is still there. It's still a descending triangle, and we know where our buy stop is. It's right up here. So if it should break out above that, we would cover the short. I still think there's a much better chance of it coming back down to our target first. Okay, let's go take a look at the major indexes. Okay, this is the Dow, and as you can see, we had this. Let me get these lines out of here. We had this very big outside reversal day. Unfortunately, it was based on news, but it's still an outside reversal day. But all it did was rally back up into this resistance area again. So right now, I have to call it just a kickback rally today. This is our resistance right here. Remember I told you, it starts here and goes all the way up to here. And, if this reversal day happened 1,000 points lower, then I would probably give it a little more weight. But because it happened so close to this pattern that I don't know if it has that much of a meaning to it. Anyway, the picture hasn't been changed yet, so there's no way I can say the low is in and we're going up. According to this chart, we're still going to go down again. Dow Jones Transportation, outside reversal day, closed on the high of the day. The picture has not changed. We've run back into resistance. Russell 2000, big outside reversal day, closed on the high of the day, but all we've done is run back into resistance. We still have these declining tops. It's still a downtrend. SPY, outside. Well, this was not an outside reversal day, but it was a reversal day. But all we've done was getting back up to resistance again. So it's still in a downtrend. And I'm not going to try to anticipate the bottom. I have to see it. I have to see the pattern. And as of right now, we're still in a steep decline. QQQQs, similar picture outside. Just a reversal day. It was an outside day. And we've just run back up into this resistance area. We could run back even a little higher up into here tomorrow. But it's not going to change the look yet. We're going to need something that looks like this before we can get bullish. We need rising bottoms. We need a flat top. We need something that looks like it can support a rally. And here we're many days away from even seeing anything like that. If we get it here, we may have to go lower before that kind of a bullish pattern is put in. But as of right now, looking at today's action, it looks like just a kickback rally to me. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.